Let's see the structure and function of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane or cell membrane is the outermost boundary of the cell. However, in most plants cells, it is covered by a cell wall. Cell membrane is chemically composed of lipids and proteins. 60 to 80% are proteins, while 20 to 40% are lipids. In addition, there is a small quantity of carbohydrates. Many biologists contributed to establish a structural organization of cell membrane. It was proposed earlier that cell membrane is composed of lipid bilayers sandwiched between inner and outer layers of protein. This basic structure is called the unit membrane, and is present in all the cellular organelles. The modern technology has revealed that lipid bilayers are not sandwiched between two protein layers. The protein layers are not continuous and are not confined to the surface of the membrane but are embedded in the lipid layer in a mosaic manner. This discovery led to the proposal of fluid mosaic model, and this model at present is the most accepted one. Cell membrane also contains charged pores through which movement of material takes place, both by active and passive transport. Transfer of materials is one of the vital roles it plays for the cell. It often offers a barrier between the cell contents and the environment, allowing only selective substances to pass through, and is known as differentially permeable or selectively permeable membrane. The substances which are lipid soluble cross it more easily than others, therefore it regulates the flow of materials and ions to maintain a definite gradient. For small gas molecules, water, glucose, etc., being neutral can easily cross, while ions, being charged particles, have some difficulty in crossing. Many substances which are not needed constantly enter the cell by passive transport, others are taken up against the concentration gradient. They move from the area of low concentration to area of high concentration. This uphill movement of material requires energy and is termed as an active transport, and the energy used for this movement is provided by the ATP. In many animal cells, the cell membrane helps to take in materials by unfolding in form of vacuoles. This type of intake is termed as endocytosis, which can be either phagocytosis or pinocytosis. In neurons, the cell membrane transfers nerve impulse from one part of the body to other to keep coordination.